Hey, everybody, Thomas here, and this will be a very quick video, and you can actually already see the sun is moving down in the background as I film this. But I'm going to do a little tease. We're going somewhere next week, and we will have something new at the farm. That's all I'm going to say. If you follow the channel, you probably know what I'm talking about. But we will have some really good video footage, say next week, of some really cool stuff. And what we're getting is going to remain in Tennessee. This thing we're getting is like my dream come true. That's one of two big surprises. The first surprise, if you have been following the channel, you can kind of allude to what I'm alluding to what I'm talking about here. We have something we're going to be picking up next week, and I'm super ecstatic, and there will be videos to come. So stay tuned for that. But by the time I post this, we'll probably already be back from where we're at and doing stuff. But I hope it will be educational, informational, and it'll help everyone understand the way things are done. Anyways, that's not very vague at all. I'm going to cut up this log here real quick. I've got the sun going down, so hopefully I won't lose too much light. But this is a cherry log. I need to cut up into stair treads, or this could be benches or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and cut them in 1.5 inch slabs and go from there. I'll do a reference cut, flip it over, do another cut, and then do 1.5 inch down from there. So stay tuned. Quick little video. I just had to put a little teaser out there. Hopefully I'm going to upload this on Friday or Saturday. Maybe. Well, no, I'll upload this after I get a few more run days on the current video I just uploaded, and go from there. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. Enjoy some music. Hopefully, if you like the music, let me know. If you don't like the music, let me know. Whatever. I'll try to do what I can do. So stay tuned. I'm going to put the camera, so hopefully you'll see some movement of the sun or something like that. I'll do a different angle. Well, folks, just to give you an idea, when I looked at the time lapse there, it said total elapsed time was 14 minutes. Not too shabby. I mean, I did have to, get everything prepped up prior before turning it on. Had to clean out the exhaust once, and I really wasn't pushing it too hard. The blade that I have on there currently is cut up 3 logs, so it's not decently sharp. But yeah, not too bad. 14 minutes to cut that. 7 slabs. They're all, because of the Timberking set works and everything, I mean, they're all perfectly on there at 1.5 inches. And this thing, I've got this mill so dialed in right now, after adjusting and measuring everything off the bunks and everything. Those are spot on. I mean, there's no other way to say it. But I mean, these slabs are beautiful. We're going to go ahead and open them up. I don't have a lot of light to work with, so give me 1 second. I'll figure out what I'm going to do. All right, folks, I'm going to do what's been asked. And I'm absolutely covered in sawdust because I had to maneuver these 7 slabs upwards. I'm filthy. But I don't even like getting water in my sawmill. I'm going to do it for this because this is some beautiful stuff. So, check out these slabs right here. Oh, you can throw some up on there too. There we go. Yeah. All right, so you can do we'll do the back side here in a second. All right, so the slabs here, absolutely beautiful. This is all cherry, came off our farm up in Tennessee. My dad brought this down for me. Some of these may be turned into stair treads, I'm not sure. Go ahead on that one over there, the tall one. But for the most part, if I don't turn these into the stair treads for the one job that I have, we're going to go ahead and make these into benches and then big charcuterie boards or whatever, because it's that time of year, September time frame. I go ahead and start making, it's August right now, but in September I start making my boards that I'm going to sell in November at the Bluestell Gingham Tree. This year it's scheduled for 14 November, so 14 November, I'll put it in the description below, here in Bluestell, Mississippi. We've already bought our spot for this year, Same spot I was in last year, which I don't remember what it was, but I'm on the end in an aisle somewhere. Yeah, so anyways, beautiful wood, absolutely beautiful wood. Cherry is always a fun one to cut. It smells great. I don't see any quilt or any crazy flecking. I got a little bit of flecking on these quarter sawn pieces or where the pith goes through. But for the most part, it's just standard looking cherry. That's very beautiful. So, hope you enjoyed. Short video. This is what I do at 7:30 on a Wednesday night after I get home from work and everything. I'm like, let me cut one log. I get one log cut, I'm good. So I got my log cut, and that's kind of the goal. Cut a few logs throughout the week and everything, and then do stuff like this. So if you're interested in these slabs, you can contact me, but probably the best place to find these slabs will be at the gingham tree. I may actually have some of the slabs there, or I may turn them into boards or benches. So benches seem to do really well. Please like, subscribe to the channel. We have a lot going. Like I said, 2 major surprises this week. Or one's happening next week, excuse me, and then the other one will happen about a month and a half from now, maybe 2 months. But again, I do like all the subscriptions, and I do like all the comments, and hopefully I chose some good music to put in there during that time lapse there. So stay tuned. We'll see you around. Thanks.